Consider attending our next live event, which is in London on Sunday, December 10, and we're going to be focused on leading others. So the event itself will be a full day at the Royal College of Surgeons, led by myself with some introductions and group exercises, and my colleague and friend, Professor Randall Peterson, who is a professor of organizational behavior at London Business School. He'll be spending the day with us, taking us through some views of the future of leadership and some of the mega trends around hybrid working and engaging different generations of workers and the dynamics of teams and some of the psychology around that. And then we'll be doing some deep dive exercises and sharing some tools around feedback, coaching, mentoring, and communications as leaders. So we hope that this will give you some insights around being a better leader, whether it's for your team that you supervise directly in your medical practice, or even if you're somebody who is needing to influence others and get collaboration among medical professionals for better outcomes.